Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuides. Today I will show you how to create a group in Telegram. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you will never miss any updates from us. First of all, open up your Telegram app. Then on the top left corner you will find 3 lines. Click on that. And after that you can see here New Group. Tap on that. After that, choose the members you want to add on the group. So I will choose 3 of my friends. 1, 2 and okay, this one. Okay, then after that I will tap on this arrow on the bottom right corner. Then after it we can rename our group. So I will rename my group as Doers Group. Then I will click on this tick on the bottom right corner. So in this way we can create group in Telegram. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.